S160 drone operation tutorial. Open the box. Take out the product and accessories. Product configuration. Charge the battery before use. Connecting the battery. Connect the power supply. Red light is always on when charging. Turns off automatically when fully charged. Remote control charging demonstration. Connecting the remote control. Connect to power supply. Green light is on when charging. Turns off automatically when fully charged. Pre-flight preparation. Unfold the drone arm. Install the drone battery. Place the drone on a level surface. Insert the memory card into the remote control. Press and hold the power on the drone. Turn on the remote control switch again. The remote control will automatically align the frequency of the drone. One button to calibrate the gyroscope. Push the left stick up to unlock the drone. Push up again to take off. One button to take off. Up. Descend. Rotate left. Rotate right. Forward. Backward. Left flag. Right flag. Speed switching, 1 beep for low speed. 2 beeps for medium speed. 3 beeps for high speed gears. Motorized camera adjustment. Press the roll button and toggle the right stick. The drone will roll 360 degrees. Short press the obstacle avoidance button. The drone will start obstacle avoidance mode. Long press to turn on headless mode. The drone will move backward in the direction of the remote control. Long press again to turn off headless mode. One button to land. Light switch function. Remote control transmitter button function. Long press to turn on, off the picture transmission screen. Replacement of wind blades. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the screws of the wind blade to remove the wind blade. Pay attention to the app marking. Install the corresponding fan blade. Connect app. Scan the QR code of the manual to download the app. Connect the Wi-Fi of the drone after downloading. Open the app after the connection is completed. You can see the transmission screen. Install the cell phone holder. Clip on the cell phone to start flying.